In this video, we are going to expand on the topic of snippets, also known as templates. Snippets are great, just quickly select them, and the whole message populates. So it literally saves hours. Let me break it down. There are two ways to access snippets: to add, edit, or remove them. From the left side menu, go to Conversations and then click on the Snippets tab to access your templates or snippets. Or you can also go to Marketing from the left side menu and then open the Templates or Snippets tab. Either way, you'll get to the templates. Let's see how to create and use snippets. To create a snippet, click on the Add Snippet button. Here you'll find two options: text snippet and email snippet. I already have the content for both types saved in my notepad to save time. So first, let's create a text snippet. We'll give the snippet a name so we can quickly identify it later. Then, in the snippet body, we'll copy and paste our prepared SMS text from the notepad. You can also prepare your text or email content in advance before creating the snippet. If we want, we can also add an image using the Add Attachment option. On the side, you can see a preview of how the SMS will look on a mobile screen. Finally, click Save and Exit. That's it, we've successfully created a text snippet. In the same way, this time we'll go to Add Snippet and select Add Email Snippet. We'll give the email snippet a name. Since emails have a subject line, we need to add that as well. I'll just copy and paste mine here. Next, in the snippet body, just like before, we'll copy and paste the content we want for the email. If needed, we can also attach a file using the Add Attachment option. On the side, you can see a preview of how the email will look on a mobile screen. We can even run a quick test by entering a from email address and a to email address. Finally, click the Save button, and our email snippet is ready. If we click on the three dots next to a snippet, we'll see options to edit, duplicate, or delete the snippet. Now, the only thing left is to see how to use our pre-made templates. For this, we'll go to Automation from the left side menu. We can either test our templates inside an existing automation, or we can create a brand new workflow to check them. Here, I've already set up a simple workflow for you. After collecting a lead, this workflow will automatically send both an email and an SMS. Let's check now if our snippet has been created properly, and if we can access it from the workflow. We can already see an email action here. Just click on it, and its settings will open. Now, if we click on the Templates drop-down, we'll see the snippet we created earlier. With just one click, the template will be added here. Then, click Save Action and Exit. Since we don't see any SMS action yet, we'll add a new SMS action by clicking on the plus icon and select Send SMS Action. Again, from the Templates drop-down, we'll select our SMS snippet and then save it. Those are the two places where you can really utilize the templates in your workflows. So I hope that provides some clarity on snippets. Go ahead and create as many snippets as you want. Be creative, save them, and start thinking about how much time you can save by using them as ready-made responses instead of retyping the same thing over and over. I hope this was helpful. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks.